Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited. We're going to be testing out these Juvia Place, the new Juvia's Place loose highlighters. You guys, Juvia's Place brought out highlighters. So I love their palettes. Their liquid lipsticks are bomb. I just got one of the single blushes. I love the blush palettes. Highlighters, Juvia's. Now, all I need y'all to do is bring out me some foundation and some concealers, and we are good, okay? And I really like their blushes. So I have all four. Yes, I am a junkie like that. Let me grab my phone though so I can give you guys prices. So the first one, and this is the packaging, this is the Nubian loose highlighter. So pretty, the box. And these if you buy them singular, it is $14 each. That was the Nubian loose highlighter, but that was the shade Nefertiti, and also the Nubian is the shade Nubia, which this is the box. So pretty. And then, like I said, those are 14 each, and then we have the Royalty collection, which is $27.50. And if you buy all four, it's $55. This is that, and then you slide it out, and these are the two, Royalty 1 and Royalty 2. So I did get all four, and this is the actual packaging of the highlighter. Come on, camera. And on the bottom you have a sticker with like a little cute image and the name, and you get how much product? Oh, 8 grams. And these are vegan and cruelty free. So that's all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them all on my arm, and then we're gonna use one on the face, maybe 2 on the face, you know, I don't really know. But I am excited. So let me go ahead and open up these, and look at that. This is so cute. Let me go ahead and open these up. So the first shade we have is called Royalty 1. And in the container, Royalty 1 looks like, it looks like a really pretty champagne bronze. My camera battery is dying. This is Royalty 1. Really nice champagne bronze. Then we have Royalties 2, which looks like a light champagne. Light gold champagne. Wow, that is beautiful. That is Royalties 2. Royalty 1 and Royalty 2. So we're gonna try Royalty 1. Ooh, it's too much. And my skin isn't damp or anything. Ooh, let me get a mirror. Before ILD. That is crazy. Wow, that is so pretty. It's like a bronzy, yeah, like a bronzy gold. It doesn't emphasize texture too much on the skin. I'm gonna build it just a smidge, just for video purposes. I'm just gonna build it a little bit. And this is my Morphe M501, by the way. lightly build. Look at that. That is Royalty 1. So pretty. Next we have Nubia, and Nubia looks more to be like a coppery bronze. Wow, that is so pretty. Like, my camera is not doing this justice. I have a mirror behind my camera. Let me try backing up. So that's Nubia. My camera is not, like, in person, my camera is not doing these any justice. So that's Nubia. Like, my camera's playing these right now. And then we have Nefertiti. Nefertiti was the one that I was a little worried about because it is a really light champagne gold. This would probably be most suitable for light, medium, like fair to light, maybe even some medium skin tones. But for me, I'm not sure. So another clean finger. I'm not sure how this will look on me. Yeah. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. But it's light. So that's Nefertiti. See, it's like a really light champagne. So we're going to try it on the skin. Because I know Nubia worked for me. I'm trying to find, you know, I did like a bronzy gold. So now we're going to do this really light one here. Okay. Like, it has a really... It has a really strong yellow undertone. Like a really strong yellow gold undertone. And it's actually not that bad. Would I wear it on its own? No. So I'm going to take a little bit of Nubia, which is that copper. And I'm going to put a little bit of Nubia on top. Just to deepen it up a little bit. Whew. That's a little bit better. So I'm going to dust off this mixture. Now let's play around. So this side I have Royalties 1. So I'm going to add, I'm going to add more of that. This out. That is so freaking pretty. And then for my nose, I'm going to add a little bit of first Nubia. For my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And then for the tip of my nose, I'm going to add a little bit of Nefertiti right on top. And I'm also going to add Nefertiti for my Cupid's bow. That is so... Nefertiti actually is really pretty. I just don't think I would use it on my cheeks. But for the nose and Cupid's bow, it's a look. And then I'm going to take Royalties 2 because we haven't used that one yet. And I'm going to apply that to my chin. Damn. A bit too much. And like just dust a little bit on my already highlighted glowy cheeks. We have on a lot of highlight, you guys, but you know what? That is okay. So now I'm going to take some setting spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and set all of this in, lock it in. Alright, everybody, so as you can see, we are glowing for the gods. Like, literally, Juvia, I'm obsessed. Like, my skin is on fire. I love it. I love it so very much. Alright, final thoughts. I love these. Like I said, they don't emphasize much of your texture, and I am breaking out really bad right now, all on this side. I'm having like this freak breakout. It doesn't emphasize texture too much. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. You don't need much. If you are my skin tone, I would say you can get them all. Nefertiti is based on preference. Like I said, that's not something I would use on my cheeks, but for the nose, Cupid's bow, in the corner, chin, forehead, I would use it like that, like sparingly, or I would mix it. If you are a person of color, Nubia is going to be a new fave. It actually kind of reminds me of Anglola by the Crayon Case, except Anglola has a really rich, strong bronze undertone. This is not as bronze as Anglola. So if you have Anglola by the Crayon Case, you can still go ahead and get this one. And we spoke about Nefertiti. For the royalties 1 and 2, I would say these will suit an array of skin tones. No matter what your skin tone is, I feel like the royalty collection will suit you. Even if you're light, fair, medium, deep, dark, the royals collection will suit you. I love that it's like a universal shades. But I am so happy. As you can see, I have literally all 4 shades on my face right now. And it doesn't look too much. Well, for some people, this may be too much. But for me, it's not that bad. So, let me know in the comments what you guys think of these highlighters. I actually really do like them. And they are really, really, really reasonably priced. The Juvia's Place brand is very affordable. So, I really want to know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Once again, these are the swatches, and my camera is not picking up how beautiful these are. So, I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next video. I'm so sorry I've been really inconsistent with filming lately, but I am back on it. I have a lot of new products to try out for you guys, and I cannot wait. So, I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.